Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about nested if statement and if elif-else statement. Okay. So first coming to nested if. So what is meant by nested if? If statement within another if statement, that is called as a nested if statement. Okay. Sometimes we need to check condition based upon another condition. Okay. So in such cases, we have to go for this nested if statement. So see here the syntax for nested if condition. Okay. So here we will write one condition. If that condition is true, again I need to check for another condition. Okay. So that condition is nested within this if condition. Okay. So here that condition is nested within this if statement. So here again I have to check for that if condition. If this both conditions are true, then only the statements which are written within the inside the if block, okay, those statements are executed. Okay. So see here, if the condition, okay, if this condition is true, again I have to go to check for another if condition. If this condition is true, then the statements which are written here will be executed. Okay. So see here I have taken an example. See here, a name is assigned with a string variable ram and the college name is ABC. Okay. Marks is assigned with 98. So these three are the variables I have taken. So if college name is ABC, okay, if this college name is equal to ABC and if name is equal to ram, if these both conditions are true, then only this print statement will be executed. Okay, this print statement, that means marks variable is printed on the output screen. Okay. So let me execute this code. So go to Python idle. So open a new file. See here, name variable is assigned with ram. Okay. So college name is some ABC. And next, marks variable is read some value 98. Okay, it is assigned with some value 98. So here, if college name is equal to ABC, okay, if this condition is true, again another if name is, so after here I have to use colon, right? If name is equal to, what is that, ram, right? So then only it has to print the marks. Okay. So this is my program. So save the program. Save the program. Now run the code. So here also I forgot to give colon. Okay. So run the module. See, marks is equal to 98. So here, as both the conditions are true, then only this statement is executed. Okay. Suppose if any one of the condition is false. Okay. Suppose if name is assigned with Sita. Suppose if any one of the condition is false, see what happens. So nothing is executed. Okay. So if both conditions are true, then only this print statement works. Okay. That's about nested if. Now let's talk about if elif-else statement. So this statement, it is used when we need to check for multiple conditions. Okay. If you want to check for more than one condition, then we have to use for this if elif-else statement. Okay. So the syntax is if condition. Okay. If this condition is true, the statement will be executed. Okay. The statement which is written in this if block will be executed. So elif is nothing but else if. Okay. In other languages we will use it as else if. In Python we will write it as elif. Okay. Elif, else if. If this condition gets failed, again it will check for this condition. Okay. Okay, if this condition is true, so the statement which is written here, that will be executed. So like this, you can include as number of elif blocks as you wish. Okay, and if all these conditions gets false, then only this else statement will be executed. Okay, so here if you want to check for multiple conditions, then we have to use this if elif else statement. Okay, so here I have taken one example program. Here I am reading a number variable at runtime by using input function. Okay, so as input function always returns a string value, I have to perform typecasting. So for that, here I have taken int. So if that num variable is equal to 0, then number is 0. I want to print. If that num variable is greater than 10, so whatever may be the number which you are reading from the keyboard during runtime, if that number is greater than 10, then this elif statement will be executed. Okay, if this both conditions gets false, then only else statement will be executed. Okay, so this is one example program. So let me execute this code. So for that, go to Python idle. So open a new file. So here I am taking a num variable. So at runtime, I am reading the value, enter number. Okay, so if num is equals to 0, then just print number is 0. Okay, here I have to use colon, right? So next, elif num is greater than 10, then print number is greater than 10, right? Otherwise, if both condition gets false, then the else statement has to be executed. So print this number is smaller than 10. Okay, so first save the program. Now run the module. See, 15. Oh, sorry. Here somewhere I have written print. Okay, this. Okay, now run the module. So see here, I have given 15. So elif statement, number is greater than 10. That statement has been executed, right? So like this, we have to check for multiple conditions by using this if elif else block. Okay, thank you.